Today on Mom's Dinner, I'm going to show you how to make the best grapefruit margarita pitcher. It's great to have an entire pitcher of margaritas ready if you're having a party or if you're having a few friends over that want to have a couple drinks. So to get started, you're going to need a 12-ounce can of limeade concentrate. This will be in the freezer section at your grocery store, and you're going to want to thaw it a little bit in your fridge or on your countertop. Now go ahead and fill that 12-ounce can with silver tequila. Silver tequila is the best option here because the clean, salty flavor blends perfectly with the lime and the grapefruit flavor. Now you need 6 ounces of grapefruit juice. You can use fresh or store-bought, either will work just fine. Pour that on into your pitcher. Next, you're going to grab 18 ounces of grapefruit soda. I like to use Squirt brand soda because it has the cleanest grapefruit flavor. Finally, you're going to add a 12-ounce bottle of light beer. I used Michelob Ultra Light because it's what I had, but you can use Miller Lite, Coors Light, Bud Light, whatever you have available. Give everything a stir, and your pitcher of grapefruit margaritas are all ready. Now it's time to serve up your margaritas. So start with a fresh grapefruit, cut it in half, and then cut it into wedges. You'll want to leave one wedge full so that you can use it to rim your glasses with a little juice. The rest you can cut into smaller wedges for garnishing the glasses. Now grab a large glass, somewhere between 10 to 12 ounces. Run a grapefruit wedge around the rim of the glass to wet it. Then on a flat plate, mix your salt and sugar together. Dip the rim of the glass into the salt and sugar until the mixture sticks to the rim. Now fill your glass up to the rim with ice. Whether you use crushed or cubed, it doesn't matter. Take one of those cut grapefruit wedges and squeeze it right into the glass. Go ahead and drop it in. Now fill your glass up with the pitcher of grapefruit margaritas, and that's it. Cheers! I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mom's Dinner YouTube channel. And if you need the full printable recipe, you can find the link in the description box below.